I think the whole thing is going to be epic. It's going to be epic being involved when you've got elite runners at the front like Mo Farah, right through to sort of the 20,000 people running for all sorts of different reasons, for charity, for their own personal challenge. I think the whole day is going to be an epic adventure for everyone.
Can't believe the number of people I've seen, just wandering around Cardiff today, everybody cheering for one another. It's huge, it's an epic experience. I'm so grateful that I'm in Wales. I love Wales.
Everybody knows that Wales really is a country that loves their sport, that really understands sport and gets behind sport, and I think they're going to put on a great show and a great event here in Cardiff.
Mae'n gweld goreuon yn byd yn rhedeg pas Sepen drws lot o bobl yn bydd yn ysbrydoli gobeithio y generation nesaf mewn ffordd, so edrych ymlaen gweld beth ddigwyddith, really.
Mae hyn mor bwysig i Gymru, edrych ar y bobl sy'n Mae pobl, dyn nhw byth di redeg o'r blaen, felly mae hyn yn hybu rhedeg, dyna bam dwi'n neud e. Yn siŵr bod y pobl na sy'n gweud, os da i byth yn gallu gwneud half marathon, wel, chi yn, a dyma sialens, a dyma'r siawns i wneud e.
Mae gweld rhywun fel Mo Farah wrth gwrs yn codi'r safon, mae'n dangos i'r byd bod ni yma yng Nghymru ac yn Gaerdydd yn gallu cynnal yr marathons mwyaf pwysig a gyda'r pobl reit ar y top yn dod yma lawr i Gaerdydd i redeg mewn hwnna'n holl bwysig ac mae'n fraint i cael o yma efo ni.
It is an adventure from people who can't run to people who are very good runners. It's for all ages and all sizes. It's a journey that everyone should take.